Rapunzel Story, Chapter 2. Listen and practice. The tower. Soon the wife had a baby girl, just as the witch had said. To keep the baby safe from the witch, the carpenter built a tall tower deep in the woods. He built stairs that led up to a room at the very top, a room with one window. He and his wife took turns staying with the baby. But the witch had a magic ball. The ball showed her just where the baby was, at the top room of the tower. One day, when the carpenter and his wife were both in the house, she cast a spell over both of them. They fell into a deep, deep sleep. And at once, the witch went to the tower. At the top room, the witch said to the baby, "I will call you Rapunzel. For that is the name of the lettuce that brought you to me. Now, Rapunzel, you are mine." But the witch did not know how to take care of a baby. Rapunzel grew into a child, and the witch did not even know how to cut her hair. The girl's blonde hair grew longer and longer every day. All the witch could do was keep the child locked in the room at the very top of the tower. She told the girl that the world was a very bad place. That was why she could not leave the tower. As she grew up, many times Rapunzel said to the witch, "There is nothing here for me to do. Why must I stay in this tower all the time?" And the witch shouted back, "I already told you so many times. The world is a very bad place. Now go comb your hair and be quiet." But is it really so bad out there? Sometimes I hear people laughing down below, Rapunzel would say sometimes. At such times the witch would yell, "How many times do I have to repeat myself? Don't listen to anything you see or hear out there. The world is much worse than you think. You will stay in this tower forever, Rapunzel. So get used to it." On her 12th birthday, Rapunzel said to the witch, "I do not care what you say anymore. I am so tired of staying here alone all the time. When you are gone, I will chip away at the door. I will make a hole. I will run down the stairs and outside, no matter what you say." "Think again," said the witch. With her power, she made all the stairs in the tower fall down. She made the doors close up. Now there was no way for Rapunzel to escape.